It is Friday, and you just got to see the new intro for my Automate to Dominate live. So let me pull up the comment section so you guys can jump in. What a week. Cheers. And what is it with my laptop deciding it's Friday? You can screw yourself. I swear. Every time I get ready for the live, this is weird. Maybe I should not put my stuff down there. We'll test something out. Testing out a little bit new live setup on how to run it, but I think if I actually look at my stuff, it looks weird. Guys, do me a favor, jump in the comment section. Let me know that StreamYard comments are working. Where you're watching from? Let me know. I want to know where you're watching from. And let me pull this on big screen. Yeah, I don't like that over there. Let's put that over here. That looks way better than rather than looking down on you. 2.54 has been released. And there are a couple really nice features that are in there. So let's dive in it. Already got the update done. Let's look into the release notes. Pull those up. I got them up on the other side too, but that way you can see them. Oh yeah, I need more of that today. I had a 4-hour intensive today, which was so much fun, but damn, those intensives are tiring. We now have Workspace dashboards. Let's see what that means. Yeah, I'm a right mouse kind of person, so let's leave that on the left side. Previously, to share dashboards with everyone in ClickUp, you had to manually select each person individually. Not anymore. Now you can create and share dashboards quickly with your entire workspace. Does make sense. Make it easier. Workspace dashboards will appear in your shared dashboard section, and every member will have full access by default. Workspace dashboards are perfect for displaying company goals, announcement, or metrics for everyone to be aware of. Cool. No biggie. It's some changing stuff in your dashboards. Definitely will make sharing easier. When I initially read the Workspace dashboards made public to Workspace, honestly, when I read that whole Workspace dashboard, what I kind of was thinking, and that could have just been my Friday because my brain is done, having them right on the space right here as a dashboard in the view up there. That was my initial reaction when I heard Workspace dashboard. So ClickUp, I know you're going to be watching, even if you might not be watching right now. That might not be a bad idea now with the public, specifically to the workspace, meaning everything. But that might not be a bad idea, being able to have a reporting custom dashboard specifically right here in the view, rather than just in the dashboard over there, because that was my first initial thinking when I heard Workspace dashboards. But again, English second language, you never know. This is a nice one. Could have used that earlier. We now can export form responses to CSV, meaning if you are using I am moving everything around, so everything is a mess right now. If you are using something like this for client intake, where you are using a form and you are getting information, and got it again, you can now take those informations and grab them and export them as a CSV file. So it's not just trying to read them in the task and doing things. No, you now can download them as a CSV file and do more with it, which I really like. That's going to be a nice one to really pull out information and transfer it to somewhere else. Mobile time tracking version 2. Our recent time tracking updates have gone mobile. Now that you can start and stop your timer within the mobile app, you will save across all devices. Save? Oh, it will save across all devices. Better yet, start tracking time on the web and stop on the mobile app, or vice versa, or seamless time tracking that goes wherever you go. A little pop-up would be nice of, hey, by the way, you are still tracking time 26,000 hours later. Just saying. Let me see. Where's my phone? I have my, yep, there's my phone. I have never tracked time on the app, to be honest. I don't find the app as bad as everybody is talking about it. You just got to wrap your head around it. It is menu-based. It really is not that difficult, but that's just me. Let's grab that one. There's estimate, time logged. Okay, apparently I don't have the update on the app yet because I still have manual time on there. Okay, we'll keep you updated on that when I actually got the update on the time tracking feature. Guys, I see you watching live. Jump in the comments, comment on it. So StreamYard has been a pain as of late, and we had issues with the API and pulling in comments. So say hi. Where are you watching from? Look at that. We now have more colors in documents. Docs, just like live, are better with more color. That's why we've added font color options to our toolbar so you can turn your SOPs into riveting works of art. Yeah, SOPs are usually riveting works of art, no matter what. But the rainbow doesn't stop there. We've also updated our highlighter to include more colors like purple, blue, to easily differentiate between different contexts. Yeah. I've been doing fine so far. But what I would like to see, guys, can we get, hold on, let me pull up a document. What I would like to see, considering you guys are working on colors, let's use my script right there. We only have 4 flag colors. I'm running into the issue often enough where I need just 1 or 2 more colors. Can we get those, please, just for the flags, please? And here's your text background. So workaround for me is going to be just doing a text background in a different color. Because I often enough have 5 or 6 sections, I regularly run out of flag colors because going into it, we got, what do we have? Yeah, we got 4 banner colors. Can we get something there? Please, pretty please. Then form preview toggle. Oh, that is nice. Let's jump back into the form we had, shall we? So there's the form. Come on. Not everybody needs to know what's in there. You can get an idea of it, but you don't need to see it all. Oh, look at that. So we got the editing, and we got the viewing. And we got the editing, and we got the viewing. So we don't have to open it up in a new tab anymore. Not bad. Definitely makes life easier because it's like you suddenly have like 10 different tabs open. Are you guys mad with me? Or is it StreamYard? Nobody wants to talk to me today. I'm feeling lonely over here. Is it just me or is it StreamYard? Nobody wants to talk to me. I'm just going to drink. So what else do we have? We got a couple other. Miro auto load. Embedded Miro boards will automatically load, so you no longer have to click to bring them into view. Cool. That definitely makes life easier. Including archive tasks and template. Choose to include any archive task when applying a template, list, folder, or space template. I guess there's use cases for that. full width form fields. We've added the option to keep form drop downs at full width when publishing. Yes. Okay, I like that, because when we go into those, wait, now you actually make them all full width. Now I have to fix this. That was not our deal, because I actually like those as not full width. Also add to task description. So how do I not make them full width now? Okay, so it says keeps fields full width, but if I look at viewing, they didn't used to be full width. Come on. Did I just find a bug again? I actually like the yes. But thank you for letting me know that the comments are working. Okay, guys, I found a bug for you. This is the preview is not working right. The preview shows that this is a one-liner, but it's not a one-liner. So it still looks like how I actually like it. So I do like it this way. Multitasking. You better make sure you are not screwing your tasks up, though. So, okay, now I'm struggling here, guys. ClickUp, wherever you are. I know you always watch my first look videos. We have a problem. So we got the editing. Cool. Get that. Keep fields at full width. We'll test this out here in just a second. Oh, cool. This always looked like that. That's fine. In the viewing, it doesn't look how the form is actually going to look like. Or is it because I have that open? No, it's not. This is not how the form is going to look like. So, guys, your preview does not work right, because when I actually look at the form, it looks like that. So, ClickUp, help. Now, keep fields full width. I'm guessing the preview is going to look the same. Yep. Now, let's look how this actually looks like in here. So now it's full width. Okay, guys, we have some bugs going on. Just saying. But I do like that this way. So let's leave it that way. I'll be reporting this soon. Custom task ID minimum character. Create custom IDs with a minimum of 2 prefix characters instead of 3. That makes sense because a lot of naming conventions start with 2 prefix characters rather than the 3. So they adjusted on that one. Task ID is a DOM element attribute. For developers building customer browser extensions, we added a ClickUp task ID into the DOM for easy reference. Cool. My developers are going to be happy about that one. Notifications for shared docs. If a shared document with somebody, if you shared a document with somebody, they'll receive a notification to easily navigate to it and determine next steps. Okay. List info start end dates apply to, pardon me. List info start and end dates apply to Sprint. For those using the Sprints ClickUp, the updates, this update sets the default list info start and end dates to align with the sprint. Easily change the list dates to be different from the sprint if you choose. That should get my sprinters happy and make life easier. They fixed the Reich import failing. They fixed Slack unable to find existing tasks. Though we also learned in our session today, the Slack connection can be really, really busy and people are not doing their job in ClickUp because they don't pay attention to all the noise going on in Slack. So you might want to revisit that. And that's not a ClickUp, that's a user thing. So guys, look at that. Automation changes not being saved. Guys, what's happening with automations? Are we getting some kind of a big release or something? We've been having a lot of automation issues as of late. Limited members available. Cheers. Let's try this again. Limited members' abilities to delete other user imports. Yeah. Definitely not a bad thing because we've seen this week a lot of people move things around and they're not sticking how they should be sticking because the team didn't know what they didn't know. Moving lists when grouped by color results in random list moving around. Moving lists when grouped by color? Oh, okay. Never really, all of my groups are different colors. ClickUp new and create task comment not working. So our shortcuts should be working again. Changing field values is reverted back. Changing field values. Oh, so the values didn't stick. With the Slack integration, your subtasks now should provide the breadcrumbs to the parent task again. We were unable to use actions on list task linked in Slack from Zapier. Wait. Okay, so we had a Zapier integration issue from Slack. Got it. Apparently that's fixed now too. Setting user permissions to can't open it doesn't allow them to access form. I was just playing around with protected views and we didn't. Ooh, that actually might have been the issue with a client of mine who is like, hey, I can't change anything, but I'm like, hey, you got access. Okay, the new native mobile app, we are in development, working on the activity and task view, and they're working on refinements of notifications. The existing apps got the time tracking version 2. Again, don't have that yet, so we'll see. I'll be testing that. Mobile bug fixes. Sharing was not working on Android devices and issues that the date picker freezes up. Okay. Cool. So there's a couple of nice ones in there. Some fun ones. I'm definitely liking the whole time tracking because ClickUp always ends up behind the scenes the moment I actually go into work. So I like time tracking on my phone, though we also moved into using Clockify rather than the native time tracker. So ClickUp, why don't you just buy out Clockify and integrate straight up natively? No, just saying. Rather than building it all new, maybe. And the Workspace dashboard, the sharing definitely is a nice one. And with that, I am signing off. It's been a long day, a long week. Rest in peace, Notorious RBG. You'll be missed. Cancer sucks. Did I mention that? And I'll be seeing you again next week. What's coming up on Tuesday? I don't even know. The doors to ClickUp in real life is still open, but I'm going into my NLP training next week. So things are going to be happening here pretty fast. Anna and I are working on some changes and updates and restructuring of ClickUp in real life. So if you want some good help for a reasonable monthly price where you don't have to wait hours and you know those people know what the hell they're talking about, now is the time to join. Because chances are when we're opening up again, prices might go up. That's it for me. I'm going back on my couch, watching some TV, and calling it a night, a week, a year. Yeah, let's just go to sleep till 2021. No worries, I'm sticking around. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye, everybody.